While we already know pretty much everything about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, we've now got the official first look as well as confirmation on the specs and features. So first up, before we get into the reveal, we've had leaked marketing renders that give us plenty of insight on the front external display. Now unfortunately, I can't show them on YouTube as Samsung continually take my videos down, but they do confirm the front display looks exactly the same as these renders here. Now the marketing renders also showed widgets, notification and photos on the external display, but they didn't show any app usage, so there is a small possibility that you won't be able to use apps on this new external display, but this is of course just an assumption based on the new marketing images. We've also still got the option to reserve the Z Flip 5 for free, and you'll also get $50 in credit just by putting in your name and email address, and the link for that is down in the description for those of you who want to go ahead and reserve. We've also got a tweet from Alvin, and he's had some first impressions shared with him by someone who's had some hands-on time with the device, and they confirm that the Flip 5 is lighter and there's absolutely no gap when it's folded, and to be fair, this is exactly what we wanted to hear. Now we've also had the Flip 5 cases leaked by both Leaks and Yang on Twitter, and these confirm the design is exactly as we were expecting, and the carbon fiber looking cases are a two-piece kit that attaches to the top and bottom separately. The Leaks cases also show them attached to a phone, but this is most likely a dummy unit and not the real thing. Now for those of you that do want to see the real thing, we've had the official teaser published by Samsung themselves, which shows the Z Flip 5 in all of its glory, and the very opening scene shows us the phone folding completely flat, and it also confirms 3 of the color variants, which are going to be beige, green and purple, and then later on in the teaser we see a black model. The teaser only shows us the view from the side, and it never shows us the front display or the new external display, but I can 100% guarantee you it's going to look exactly the same as my renders here. Now on top of all that, we've got plenty of reports that the Z Flip 5 is finally going to support Samsung Dex, and on top of an upgraded chipset, we also get improvements to the cameras and the internal display. Now unfortunately, we're going to get a price increase to go with it, and it's expected to launch from $1,100 or £1,100, and to be fair to the Flip 5 though, it's pretty much the only device in Samsung's mobile series this year that actually gets a significant design change, and that's most likely the reason that all of Samsung's marketing materials and teasers have been focused on the Flip and there's not been anything on the Fold. Now with launch imminent, we're about to get all the confirmation from Samsung themselves, but if anything does come up in the meantime, I'm going to be sharing it straight away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.